Wow. Let's do it. Stand on your head again. Stand on your head. Like you did the first time. Stay there. Oh, good. That's a somersault. And do a headstand now. Headstand. Right there. Good. Kick your feet up in the air. Oopsie daisy. Not on Mama, silly. There you go. Oh, almost. Doink. Silly girl. Ta-da.
Ta-da!
Straight up in the air. Keep your feet up in the air. Whoa, good job.